A warning this evening from health authorities in Manchester that they may be forced to stop vector control activities if residents in Alligator Pond continue to stone health workers. Cody and Barrett has the story.
The likelihood of rainfall during the hurricane season makes vector control activities even more critical. But in Manchester, public health workers say they continue to face challenges as they work to keep the mosquito population in check. Alligator Pond remains a problem area. At the monthly meeting of the Manchester Municipal Corporation on Thursday, the Public Health Department again complained that residents continue to throw stones and other missiles at the vector control vehicles. Councillor for the Alligator Pond Division, Dalton Brown, says he is aware of the practice.
We have a basic knowledge of the area that it occurs, and it's not something that all members of the committee of Alligator Pond are in agreement with. But as I said, they are idle persons who see it fit to throw stones at the vehicle. As such, I have given a commitment to the health department that I will make myself present and available to go through the committee as well and to just express my concerns about this matter.
The health department says if the practice continues, it will be forced to pull its services from the area. Meanwhile, elsewhere in the parish, vector control activities have intensified.
Just want to inform persons that we always have ongoing vector control activities pertaining to the mosquito breeding, because dengue fever is endemic in Jamaica, so it's with us year-round, and the mosquitoes are with us year-round as well, so we do not take a break from vector control activities.
We have assessed 36 drains. During the reporting period, of the 36, 2 were positive for mosquito breeding, but almost all were in need of cleaning and debushing. So we are ready to have the dialogue with you to have these drains clean, debush, and such the like.
Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.